Like every year, this year BlackBerry launched its Uber Cool collection through the School BlackBerry Sharp Night event, culmination of fashion and music. इस event पर हुआ एक jamming session, ramp walk और music performances भी. Arjun Rampal, Anushka Manchanda, Ayushmann Khurrana and Karsh Kale all came together for this fantastic event and stylishly walked the ramp for BlackBerries. All these celebrities represented different genres of music and each of them performed beautifully. एक तरफ DJ Arjun Rampal ने audience को अपने mixing skills और EDM tune से entertain किया, तो दूसरी तरफ Ayushmann Khurrana ने गाए अपने romantic songs. इन सभी स्टार्स से हमने यहाँ की बात भी, जहाँ कर्श काले, अर्जुन रामपाल, अनुष्का मंचंदा थे काफी excited about their outfits, वहीं आयुष्मान was looking forward to a jamming session.
I was very happy to do something like this for them, you know, and I like unisex clothing a lot, and when I found out that they're going to custom make something for me, I was very excited about it.
It was something where taking something that was supposed to be classical and adding some edge to it. So I guess I'm the edge.
First time I've worn such colorful pants. And I quite liked it. I think I'm going to keep them, and they really fit well and they're really comfortable. And the fabric's great, and I love the navy blue shirt, and I like the quirkiness with the bow tie. I think it just brings a certain amount of edge to casualness, and that's what BlackBerry is trying to do, is create a kind of an edge to the casual style that of clothing that they make. And yeah, it's quite nice. It's preppy, it's nice. I'm feeling younger and like all wrapped up.
The best part about Jam Up is that we all are so different from each other, yet we are together on stage, walking the ramp for BlackBerries. And that's about it. And I'm looking forward to some unusual stuff because we are jamming up together all four musically.
इन सभी स्टार्स के अलावा हमने BlackBerries के MD मिस्टर निखिल मोहन से भी बात की इस इवेंट के बारे में और क्यों उन्होंने चुना इन 4 multi-talented artists को.
This Sharp Nights is encapsulating the entire ethos of the brand in one night. This time we bring you 4 eclectic personalities, multifaceted people who are very talented, and of course they stand apart in a crowd. The sharpness of the brand resonates in the Sharp Night.
Well, we do agree to that. These 4 celebrities surely did grab all the attention with their edgy and sharp personalities. Rudrani Chattaraj, Zoom, Mumbai.